Hello guys, my name is Florentino Zuniga. It is Sunday, July the 16th, and I just wanted to show you guys that even though it's Sunday, I do get leads even on Sundays. I've been getting leads pretty much all day today. Been getting leads, and I actually have a new member. Florentino Zuniga, a new gold member has arrived, and real quick, I'm gonna show you what I do with new gold members. So I do have a $20 monthly residual income that will be coming from him as long as he stays available. I usually click on their email, and then I click on the three little dots and go to templates, and then I'm gonna tell him I am your PLS sponsor, and the email will be populated automatically. And I pretty much tell him what to do. Then I'm gonna click send, and I'm not going to delete this email yet because tomorrow I'm gonna call him. I'm gonna start calling people. So what I'm going to do, let me see. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna put a little star on it. That way I know I need to get back to him. But anyways guys, that's not what this video is about. This video is about, I haven't done it in a while guys, but I am going to withdraw money live. I don't really like doing this on video, but I'm logging into the back office Power Lead system, and it's gonna take me to the brand new back office of Power Lead system. And now if you can see, it says that today, Sunday, remember last time I had $200 and some dollars, but today, Sunday, I have $198.15. So I can transfer now, or I can let it build up. So I'm going to click transfer now, and that's gonna take me over to log into Paylution. Transfer to your Paylution. Okay, so that has been transferred to my Paylution. So let me go to Legacy, because that's where I know what to do. And I'm going to go to my e-wallet. I'm going to click here so I can log into Paylution, and I'm going to sign in, and let me put a pause on the video. Okay, so I'm in the back office of Paylution, and of course every time you do move money, since it is powered by PayPal, they do take a little bit of money. They take a little bit of money. So let me see, I'm gonna go to transfer funds to, let me see, let me pass it because I need to remember what to do next. Okay, so I'm checking, I was just making sure I had the right account. This is gonna go straight to my bank. Then I'm going to transfer the maximum, then power system, continue, transfer United States, confirm. You have successfully submitted a transfer request. Refer to the receipt below for further details. And then the time, it says it's going to take 1 to 3 business days. So I might get the money today, or I might get it Monday or Tuesday at the latest. But most of the time it's pretty quick. Most of the time it doesn't take that long. And and so I'm gonna get $195 that I can spend. So I can click transfer, track your transfer, and then it shows the transaction. It shows where the transaction is at. But anyways, guys, just to I did this just to show you guys that I am getting paid from Power Lead system. I am making money from Power Lead system, and actually, if we go over to my email, awesome! I'm generating leads for Power Lead system, and I'm generating leads for my 6-figure blueprint, which is awesome. So I do have. I'm making sales, I'm generating leads, and I'm getting paid, guys, which is the most important thing. I think that's one of the questions that you guys have. Do you get paid? So now we're gonna go here to do not reply, and then it says, Florentino Zuniga, you have received a payment from Paylution, or Paylution is Paylution payment service, amount $198 in US dollars. So they took out the fees, so I got 196 and change, and after I send it to my bank I get 195. So I lose a little bit of money, but guys, this is money I didn't have before, so that one works. And then always security, they always showing me that they noticed a new sign in, and I had to let them know it is me. And then support, your payment has been processed. So that the account, the funds are on the way to your bank account. Amount US dollars is $195.15. And just for giggles, I'm going to check my bank account because I don't think the money should be here already. But a lot of times I've been surprised that I send the money and I get it within a couple hours. And it's not here yet, but again, it's gonna be here either sometime today or tomorrow or Tuesday at the latest. But the money is coming, guys. The money is going straight to my bank account, and as soon as I get it, guess what? I'm going to spend it. That's what you need money for. You need money to spend. And then here I can always track my payment. I can click track payment, and it says, Florentino Zuniga, your $195.15 payment has been processed and is on the way to your United States bank account. And then I can click here to track the payment. And let's see. And then boom, it says, great job, you generated a new lead. And then congratulations, you have a new sign up. And then I wouldn't be surprised if the next email I get it says you got money on the way. So I might even have more money coming from my 6-figure blueprint as well. But guys, this where I'm gonna leave this video, guys, just showing you proof the Power Lead system works, that I am making sales, I am getting paid with Power Lead system. I do have the link below the video. Feel free to go below the video and send me a actually just click on the link and it's going to take you to a video that is going to explain exactly how Power Lead system works and how you can generate money. And then you can see you've got money on the way. Just what I was saying. A new member has indicated they sent money, so I will have to check that. I think he sent money twice. Let me see what this one says down here. So he indicated he sent money. We'll see. I have to check my accounts and see if he actually sent money. And I always check to make sure that I have money coming in before I accept people. But anyways, guys, how awesome is this? I'm generating leads, I'm generating sales. You saw it live. I generated a sale for Power Lead system at 2 p.m. and I generated a sale for the 6-figure blueprint at 2:30 2:31 p.m. So I am generating leads and sales. So with that being said, guys, God bless you all and have a great afternoon, and click the link below